do you soften the thought of carrying coffins? We were so alive, only to see us wither and die.
What is going on, guys? I hope you're having a great day today. I've already cut these boxes open, but we got our parts that we ordered from American Muscle. It's only been 8 days, so pretty good timing. I'm still waiting on my cold air intake. Don't know when that's going to be in. It's on back order, so who knows when I'm going to get that. I've already cut these boxes open. I haven't actually looked at everything yet. Raxiom Sequential taillight harness. Let's open her up, check her out, and see what we got. So we got some instructions here. Installation instructions for plug-in sequential taillight kit, 9604 Mustang. So you get the instructions there. Raxiom. Looks pretty simple. It tells you which bulb goes where. Just gotta put it in the right spots. So it looks like we got bulb connectors, the sequential little block thing, and we've got our factory plug right in there. Easy. Pull the tail lights out, replace your harness with this, and plug your bulbs in and put them in the right spots. Simple. Cool. We will install those in a moment. So, that's cool. Let's check out these Ford racing springs. So, get into here. So you get some Ford racing stickers that you can put in on your window or wherever you want. Kind of got a little damage from the spring rolling on it, but that's fine. Still got 2 more. So now we're gonna pull that one out. That looks like it's gonna be a front and a rear. Happy about that. So one day we'll get those in and put the sequential taillights in it. Those can wait for now. These go out tonight. Cool, we'll see you in the shop. And first we're gonna get the taillights out, and once we get the taillights out, it's just a basically direct plug and play. So let's get to it. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take out your trim panels back here. There's one down here, there's one, this guy here, it needs to come out. So you can access the 4 bolts that secure the taillight into the back of the car. So, pop these guys out, they just come out here and they just twist on out, they're pretty easy. And this is just to access the taillight bolts. Now with age, this car's got like 270,000 K on it. So with age, these trim panels get really delicate. And you kind of gotta finesse them out of the car. Now as you can see, we got that whole panel out of there. That's our taillight harness, and that goes through the body to the taillights, and the sequential kit goes somewhere in there. So this one, one in back there, but you gotta reach for it. So let's give her a little disconnect right there. So I'm gonna pull the right side out and do the conversion. Done. Alright, so we've got our taillights out of the car. Now we're going to remove the harness, the factory harness, and we're going to replace it with that Raxiom Sequential kit that I picked up. that's what makes it do the sequential. And that, we're just going to tape that in right in there just like that. Some double-sided tape, and that should do the trick pretty well. So I'm going to run the house, all my stuff from Canadian Tires in there, and let's get this car underway. Alright, so I just killed the lights. I put one in. It's not actually in the car mounted yet, but just to see what it looks like. So that's what the sequential looks like. I got it on 4-ways right now. Then if I go over to this side of the car, we've only got the 2 outside ones blinking and the center one doesn't do anything. So that is pretty cool having all 3 of them lighting up like that. That is pretty awesome. I am happy with that. They are a little fast. I do need to slow them down with a different flasher, but that is pretty cool. Well, there you have it. There's the finished product. Having the sequential taillights. That is pretty badass.